All right, let's get this thing going. So if you watched the previous videos, you know we went over to the comptroller site. We had to get a couple of PDFs, and we nabbed this one, downloaded it. We got the 103, downloaded it. If you remember, we had to take them apart, remove some JavaScript. We had to rearrange the tab order so it would suit our Excel spreadsheet. And then we had to write some code. And you remember all the send keys. We went through all of this. That takes care of the 100 form. This takes care of the 103 form. We save it here. Need to go back and watch all those videos. So we end up with our spreadsheet. And our client gets all of our information to us. We were having to enter this through what they call daily tally sheets, which were difficult to read, just a general pain. Same thing for the backhaul. They have two, actually they have one location, but they have two bars. So we didn't have to fill out the secondary location report. So anyway, let's take a look and see how all this works. We've got all of our totals. We have these arranged exactly like we want our form to print out. We identified all the lines. So I'm going to put my little timer up here on top of the screen, and we'll see how long this takes. Notice once I click this button, all I have to do is respond to some dialog boxes. Do not have to do any data entry whatsoever. We let Excel work for us. Here we go. Okay, now we're ready to do the second one. We're going to say yes. You get that little warning, don't do nothing, let Excel do it. All right, well, there you have it. I think we hit all four corners on this deal. If you looked at the other videos, you'll notice that we did construct a client letter, a recap letter. That was done in Microsoft Word. Did not put any data fields. Do not put data fields in Word. Take it over to Adobe. You're going to need Acrobat Pro, one of the Pro editions. I'm still using 9. Put your data fields in there, line them up with your forms, and you're good to go. So some of this stuff makes people nervous as Mike Tyson in a spelling bee, but there ain't much to it. 3 or 4 hours, develop some code, fix your spreadsheet up. If you don't want to do it, get a hold of us. We'll take care of it for you. And we'll see you on the next one.